Alright, mount your camera on a tripod using landscape. I'm using landscape for this particular recording. Now record an empty background for up to 10 seconds. You get my point? So you can now walk in from this direction I was coming from. Understand? So you can do like you want to release a charm, something like that. Then you walk and jump, just like what you've seen on your screen. So when you are done with that one, you can now save the video to your gallery, then head over to Capcut. You get my point? Now click on this plus icon, new project, import the video you just recorded to Capcut. So guys, as you can see from here, we had an empty background, so we want to split that empty background. You get my point? I want to split it because it is very useful. It's very important. We are going to use it. So when you split it, you go and look for overlay. Now tap on overlay, bring the main video down, drag it to the beginning of the video. I believe you get my point. So from here you have to tap on that empty background. That's the first layer. Tap on it. Now go and look for freeze. Let's look for freeze. Oh yeah, see freeze. Tap on freeze. Now at the end of this particular layer you just freeze, click and drag it, just like what you're seeing on your screen. You get my point? That is just it, guys. So guys, this is how the video is going to start, but I want my own to start somewhere here. I don't want it to I want it to start somewhere here like this. You understand me? So I'm going to tap on split, then delete the beginning of this video because I don't want all those other ones to be included. You get my point? Now drag this one to the beginning of the video. Am I too fast? So that's just it. Now at this point where you want to release the charm, tap on this plus icon, add overlay. Now bring the green screen effect you downloaded. So now go and look for remove BG. You get my point? Let's go and look for remove. Okay, look at it here. Click on remove BG, click on chroma key. So now hover this circle to where it will show green, somewhere like this where it will show green. Now increase the intensity to 100. You get my point? Now increase this shadow to 50. Allow the shadow to remain at 50. Understand? Now tap on OK. Now come back. So let's see how this thing is gonna be. Look at it now. It's in the reverse. So we have to change the direction of this portal, of this effect. So what you do from here, go and look for transform. Tap on mirror. When you click on mirror, you can see now it is the charm is coming from your own direction. Understand? If you have another magic effect that will go direct from you to appear, it is fine. I have to go to transform because mine didn't come direct from me, it went from another direction. You get my point? So at this point where this thing, the portal here is too short, it vanishes before I even jump. So what I have to do here is I have to come and look for, after positioning it where I want it to be. You get my point? So I'll have to go and look for speed. Where is speed? Tap on speed, tap on normal. Now reduce it. I reduced mine to 0.4. I left it at 0.4. You get my point? So it will make that the duration of the magic to be longer than before. Look at something like this. You get my point? I believe you've learned something. So guys, if you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. So you won't miss out on our amazing tutorial. Understand? And also like this video so that YouTube will distribute this video to many other people. You get my point? Comment if you have any issue. Comment. So guys, at this point where the character is still in the air, we are still on the second layer. So you tap on split. So when you tap on split, what you have to do here is you have to go and look for remove BG. Click on auto removal. Now remove it completely. Alright guys, so if you're a complete beginner and you really want to learn about video editing, chat me up on WhatsApp. My phone number is in the description of this video. Before you chat me on WhatsApp, please take note, it is not free. I charge, though it's affordable. You get my point? Now after removing background, tap on this OK icon here. So now at this point we need to add keyframe to the beginning of this particular layer you just splitted. That's the second layer I'm talking about. So you add keyframe at the beginning. You know why you're adding this keyframe? So that you'll be able to adjust the character to fit in the portal. You get my point? I believe you get my point. Now after adding the first keyframe, you have to move the video a bit, so you add another keyframe, so it will be say 2 keyframes there. You get my point? So you can now adjust the character to fit in the portal. I don't know if you get my point from here. If you have any issue, let me know in the comment section. You get my point? Something like that. So you add the second keyframe. Now you can adjust the character. So that is just it, guys. Now after series of adjustments, guys, we want the character to disappear as soon as it enters the portal. So from here I'll have to tap on the layer, click on split. I'll tap on split from this particular point, then delete. Now deleting it will make it be like this. Now the character has disappeared from the portal. So that's just it, guys. So you can now, if you want to continue to the portal, you can allow it to be, or you can decide to delete the portal immediately after the character have disappeared. You can tap on the layer, then click on split, then delete it, just like what you are seeing on your screen. You get my point? Also the first layer, you tap on the first layer, now tap on split and also delete the ending part of it. So guys, that is just it. In fact, you've gotten everything you need to know about this portal stuff. You get my point? So guys, make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, make sure you comment, share this video on your social media platform so we can grow. You know, we need to grow. So guys, without wasting much of your time again, so see you in our next video.